Hi, I'm Kevin.
And I'm Molly.
And this is our Plans.ky journey.
Little Cayman is such a special place, and we have so many amazing memories traveling there as a family.
It's always been our dream to maybe build a home on our land, somewhere for our kids to enjoy.
But we had so many questions. We had no idea where to start.
Could we even build on our land? How much would it cost? How does the process work, and what's even the first step? We quickly realized answers were not easy to come by. We struggled to even get people to call us back. It felt like we were hitting roadblock after roadblock.
And then we saw the ads for Plans.ky.
I messaged them online, they got back to me right away, and we scheduled a meeting. And in just a few weeks, they helped us take significant steps toward realizing our dream.
We were looking at mood boards by the first meeting, architectural drawings by the second, and 3D renderings by the third. They've helped answer our questions about what comes next, and they're working with us every step of the way.
The Plans.ky team has provided us a clearer path and vision forward, and for that we're so appreciative.
And we look forward to continuing our journey with Plans.ky.